L250, Jazz 766.
Sure.
When bad weather is 10 miles or less, you have to pay special attention during approach.
Romac 208, go ahead.
Maroc 208 is taking 20 degrees to the left to avoid.
Maroc 208, there's a traffic off your left wing at 13,000 climbing. Make your best rate down till 12,000.
Best rate until 12,000, Maroc 208. We have no ticket.
Chief 31, expedite through 14,000. Make a right turn now, 20 degrees, immediate right turn. Chief 53, maintenez une meilleure taux de montée jusqu'à 1-4000 pieds. Faites un virage immédiatement 20 degrés à droite.
Un virage immédiatement 20 degrés à droite, puis on meilleur taux de montée jusqu'à 4000 pieds.
Maroc 208, resume normal rate, proceed back to Mare on course when you're able.
To Mare on course when able, we are turning yes now, Maroc 208.
Chief 53, merci beaucoup pour votre aide. Sortez direct ROX en route maintenant et reprenez le taux de montée normal.
Direct ROX en route avec le taux de montée normal, c'est 5-3.
Jazz, Air Canada 668, je suis copy, flight compatible 230.
Affirm 230, Canada 668.
And nav green.
Sure. Reach Rabbit, Canada 668.
Perfect, thanks.
Speed intervention, speed 250.
Check.
Montreal Center, Encore 3437 is with you, flight level 240.
Encore 3437, Montreal Center, roger.
Montreal, good day, Jazz 731 with you, climbing up to 13,000.
Jazz 731, Montreal Center, roger. 24 right, Papa, climb to 16,000.
24 right, check that, we'll pick up Papa and 1.
Roger, comité d'accueil.
Jazz 939, contact Montreal Center 12877.
2877, Jazz after negative.
Canada 668, compatible 280.
Compatible 280, Canada 668.
Right. Jazz 728, descendez 8000 pieds lorsque près, l'altimètre Québec 2999.
2999, 8000 pieds, Jazz 728.
Sure. Pascan 478, gardez la meilleure vitesse d'avant, passez direct au coco en route.
Meilleure vitesse direct au copo, Pascal 478.
Sure. Jazz 731, what's your current indicator there, speak?
Indicating 250. Sorry, it's 207 for Jazz 71.
30 feet. 30 feet, right? It's right line.
Super, go straight ahead, Bravo to the ramp and monitor down 0.9 or company. That's a Super Bravo to the ramp, 0.9 Delta, 21 Ava. Tower 3326 over, stall 4, station of VOI, Delta 2784, wind 100 at 11, runway 13 right, clear to take off. We're on Mark 20 heavy, runway 13 right, on a delay. Delta 251,
Okay, approach is clear.
251, bye-bye. Right, 333, 26, Kennedy Tower, you're calling an American Airlines 737 over the racetrack, wind 190 at 11, runway 13 left, clear to land. 13 left with the line, right, 33, 26. Flying to 34, right, Triple Alpha, then Echo and Bravo to the ramp, let's give way to Hawaiian when you get to Foxtrot, monitor ground on 0.9 there, have a good day. Triple Alpha, Echo, and Alpha, give way to Hawaiian, like 34, 34, continue Bravo to the ramp. Bravo, ramp. Royal Mark 203 heavy, wind 190 at 11, from runway 13 right, clear for takeoff. That was 2784, contact the air support here. Have a good day. That was 2836 Kennedy Tower, crossing way 31, from runway 13 right, on
Your control. My controls?
13 right, London, Norway, Delta 2036.
Fast track.
One confirmed.
Check. Flight controls.
Go ahead.
Forward. Aft. Left. Right. Standby for de rudder. Yeah, feet on the pedals.
Good.
Left. Right. Before taxi checklist.
The before taxi checklist anti-ice is off. Aircast is checked. APU shutting down. Auto brake.
RTO.
Slot flap lever.
Set.
The flight controls.
Checked.
And the ground equipment.
It's clear.
Clear. Before taxi check is complete.
Check.
It's 83 Juliet. Very nice. Subject to ACC clearance. Tell me when you're ready.
Straks.
Ja, sta by. Right is clear.
Okay. Ja. Short turn hier.
Check.
Kan ik toch niet weg of wat? Het is wel een beetje bollen. Alright. Right clear, hè?
Right is clear.
Sécurité unité, je vous propose de dégager à Charlie et vous maintenez à Charlie pour laisser passer le 737.
Oui, bien reçu. Donc, je fais juste le petit bout de bretelle Delta et je dégage sur Charlie.
Impec, merci.
737.
Impec.
That's not those, hè? So, ready for ATC.
Ja.
MPT 3 Juliet, ready to Cockpit clearance. Okay, 3 Juliet, initial climb level 60, fly runway heading initially, and 1000 on the scope.
Okay, so we climb flight level 60 on the runway heading, squawk 1000, UTA 3 Juliet.
That's correct.
Le sol sécurité unité, donc la piste est dégagée, je me positionne sur Charlie.
So 1000 is set in the box
Okay,
and initially runway heading.
And 60 in the window, please.
Zero is coming
Well,
up.
Bien reçu, merci.
Thank you. Flight level 60, and not 6,000 feet, hè?
Flight level 60,
Check.
affirm.
Voilà, so that's a review of the takeoff, hè? Straight ahead 60.
Ja, check.
Cabin, not yet.
Nee.
En de before takeoff checklist.
Er zitten wat vogels.
Ja, ik heb het gezien. Sorry.
De before takeoff checklist. Swat flap.
1 set.
De pitch trim.
2.3 up
En de brakes temperature.
is checked.
Before takeoff checks complete.
En ready.
UTA 3 Juliet ready. UTA 3 Juliet line up runway 20 from Delta, cleared for takeoff 220 degrees 6 knots.
Cleared for takeoff runway 20 BTA 3 Juliet.
Cleared for takeoff.
Check. You can disarm LNAV also. Want anders is het gonna...
Ja, wacht. Zo, en dan kan ze beat. Nee, en dan zou ik hem ze beat in heading pakken. Hè?
Ja, even.
En dan de weg zijn. Take-off config.
Even.
Take off, okay.
Kijk.